In the world of modern architecture, contrast is everything, and few combinations are as striking as the deep intensity of black concrete against the vibrant pulse of tropical greenery. This home is a masterpiece of minimalism, where every element is intentional and every shade tells a story. The dark exterior stands as a bold statement, a seamless blend of modern sophistication and nature's untamed beauty. Here, raw materials meet organic textures, creating a sanctuary that is both powerful and serene. Black concrete is more than just a material. It is a mood, a presence, and an aesthetic philosophy. Its boldness provides a sense of permanence, a structure that commands attention without being overpowering. The smooth, matte finish absorbs light, giving the home a quiet, introspective aura. The texture, rough in some places and polished in others, adds depth and character, making the walls feel alive. A home should never compete with nature, it should embrace it. That philosophy is fully realized here, where lush tropical plants soften the bold concrete walls. Towering palms sway gently, filtering sunlight through their fronds, while cascading vines weave their way across the facade. The interplay between solid black surfaces and the vibrant greens of nature creates a living, breathing structure, one that shifts with the light and the seasons. The journey into this home begins with a simple yet captivating entrance. A solid black door, nearly blending with the walls, stands unmarked except for a sleek, sculptural handle. Surrounding it, a curated selection of tropical plants, from broad-leafed philodendrons to delicate ferns, creates an immediate contrast. This entrance is more than a transition. It is an experience, one that hints at the beauty within while maintaining an air of mystery. Step inside, and the theme continues monochrome but never monotonous. The open-plan living space is a study in balance, where black concrete walls meet soft, earth-toned furnishings. The furniture is intentionally minimal, each piece chosen for its sculptural presence rather than decoration. A sleek, black coffee table rests atop a natural fiber rug, while oversized tropical plants in textured clay pots add a sense of warmth and movement to the space. Despite its dark palette, this home is anything but enclosed. Expansive floor-to-ceiling glass panels erase the boundary between interior and exterior, allowing nature to be an ever-present backdrop. Light plays across the surfaces, shifting throughout the day and adding an ethereal glow to the black walls. The design ensures that the home breathes, inviting fresh air and natural beauty into every corner. In keeping with the home's design ethos, the kitchen is a marvel of understated elegance. Black concrete countertops extend seamlessly into the walls, creating a monolithic effect that feels both grounded and futuristic. Open wooden shelving, subtly illuminated, breaks the darkness, providing space for handcrafted ceramics and natural stoneware. A central island, its surface smooth and unadorned, serves as a gathering space, an area where cooking becomes an art form and simplicity is celebrated. Stepping into the bathroom is like entering a hidden retreat. The walls and floors are clad in dark concrete, creating a spa-like atmosphere of quiet luxury. A deep, freestanding black stone sink sits beside a matte black faucet, while a rainfall shower, partially open to the lush greenery outside, offers a sensory escape. The contrast of natural elements, bamboo, river stones, and leafy greens, adds warmth, turning this space into a sanctuary of relaxation. Beyond the living areas, a private courtyard unfolds, a space designed for solitude and contemplation. Enclosed by black concrete walls, this hidden oasis is softened by an abundance of tropical plants, their leaves rustling in the breeze. A minimalist water feature trickles softly, its sound blending with the calls of distant birds. Here, a single low-profile lounge chair invites moments of stillness, where time seems to pause and nature takes center stage. A bedroom should be a place of retreat, and this one is designed to embrace restfulness. The black concrete walls create a sense of enclosure, a protective shell that encourages deep sleep. A platform bed, low and unembellished, is dressed in linen and organic cotton in muted, earthy tones. A single pendant light, its glow warm and subtle, casts gentle shadows across the walls. Large sliding doors open to a secluded garden, allowing the night air to drift in, carrying with it the scent of fresh rain and blooming jasmine. Stepping outside, the outdoor lounge area unfolds as an extension of the home's minimalist philosophy. A black concrete platform extends outward, forming a seamless connection between the interior and exterior. Oversized, low-profile lounge chairs with weathered teak frames and charcoal cushions invite quiet moments under the open sky. A fire pit, its flames flickering against the dark stone, becomes the heart of the space, offering warmth and an intimate glow. The surrounding greenery, dense yet carefully curated, provides both privacy and a connection to nature's untamed energy. Winding stone pathways meander through the tropical landscape, guiding movement in a way that feels organic and effortless. Instead of traditional paving, large, irregularly shaped black concrete slabs are set into a bed of fine gravel, creating a dynamic interplay of textures. Lush ferns and broad-leafed plants spill over the edges, softening the lines and reinforcing the idea that nature and architecture can exist in perfect harmony. Every step is a reminder of the beauty in contrast. Solid and fluid, structured and wild, dark and vibrant. As the sun sets, the home transforms. Carefully placed lighting highlights the rich textures of black concrete while casting intriguing shadows across the surfaces. Recessed LED strips illuminate the perimeter of the house, giving it a subtle floating effect. In the garden, warm-toned spotlights highlight the leaves of banana plants and palms, creating silhouettes that dance in the evening breeze. The balance between light and darkness enhances the home's mystery, making it feel like a private world suspended between the natural and the architectural. Minimalism is not just an aesthetic choice, it is a philosophy of intentionality. This home embraces sustainability not through excessive technology but through thoughtful design. Large overhangs provide shade, reducing the need for artificial cooling, while cross-ventilation ensures a constant flow of fresh air. The materials sourced locally reflect a commitment to both durability and environmental consciousness. Here, luxury is defined not by extravagance but by the ability to live with less, in a space that feels both grounded and freeing. This home is more than a structure, it is a statement, a testament to the power of contrast, where deep black concrete meets the life-giving energy of tropical greenery. It is a place of stillness and movement, of light and shadow, of strength and softness. The monochrome palette, far from feeling cold or lifeless, becomes a backdrop for the vibrancy of nature to shine. This is modern living redefined, where architecture and the environment are not opposing forces, but partners in creating something truly extraordinary.